In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on this gear next to Google located under Autofill service. Following that, you need to click on Google Password Manager over here. Then, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear next to Password Manager and tap on this switcher next to Offer to save passwords if it's not already on. Then log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. This way your password will appear here and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!